cool mirror at the thrift store for 12 bucks. It's awesome. And I'm going to turn it into a scarier looking mirror. And I'm in my junkyard with trash cans and everything because I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint it black, and then I'm going to try to figure out something cool to do with it just to make it look spookier. Here it is. There you go. There it is. It is a cheap $12 oval mirror. Sorry, that's my chickens. It's a $12 oval mirror that I am just going to spray. There's a spray can. The outside black real quick. And it's supposed to rain today. And so I want to get it painted and bring inside to dry. And then I'm going to try to figure out what to do on the mirror itself, because I might want to try something. I know there's places where you can ways you can get a regular frame and take the glass out, and then you use Krylon Ghost spray paint or something. I can't remember what it's called. I have to look. And then you put an image there and you put it back in. It's really cool. But since this is oval and it's a mirror, I can't really do that. I like the oval look. It's something you don't find very often. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so you know how I make up things as I go? So I have leftover paper mache paper that I used, and it's all ripped up already. So instead of covering it, I'm going to use the jagged edges, and I'm going to tape it on the mirror, and when I spray paint over the whole entire thing, maybe it will look like it's cracked. Like I said, I make up things as I go. I have no idea what it's going to look like, so we'll see. Alright, I scrunched up all this paper, and now I'm going to spray paint it. Like I said, I'm just making up things as I go, and I do not know how this is going to turn out. But in Halloween world, everything is a little ugly anyway. So this is what I'm going to do. Let's get started. Alright, we did it. It's spray painted black. Now I'm going to let it dry, and then after that we will take a look at it. I really have some weird things in my yard, I know. So I have no clue what it will look like. I can scrape the paint off if I hate it, but the black part looks 100 times better. Cool. Alright, it's time to rip off the paper and bring it inside. The rain looks like it's coming. I don't want it wet. And I think it looks like crap, so I'll just scrape it off. Now you know. You know what? I watch Rhett and Link, and you know they eat things. Oh, crap, look at it, I forgot that. So you don't have to. Well, you know what? I make Halloween stuff and screw up, so you don't have to. Alright, I guess I have to fix that part too. Yeah. Okay, don't do that. Yeah, I'll make it. Yeah, you can have some apple cider. We'll go make some apple cider. Does anyone else want apple cider? So I went ahead and sprayed it one more time and kind of oversprayed it on the edges because I thought it looked kind of cool. I thought it was too pretty looking. So now I'm going to use the spider effect since my other idea didn't work. I had this left over from a guitar we made for my son. My husband built a little electric guitar and he used this as the finish. And I actually am going to read the instructions on it because this one's a little bit more complicated. I think you just go over it, but I'm going to make sure. And I think that would make it look cool. So wish me luck. My son's recording for me. Woohoo! Am I going to leave that in the video? So the shape, this spider effect, I think gave it the look I wanted it, and you just kind of go over it however you want. I think that's it. I don't want too much more. I just wanted to show you. All right, now we let it dry. So I'm going to use this on this part right here. Now I'm going to take a rag, because that's way too much, and I'm going to wipe it all off. That's pretty much what it is. It's a rub. And so you rub it on, and then it gives it this really cool finish. So I'm going to wipe it off now with a rag. So I have an old t-shirt here, and I'm just going to start rubbing it off. And the more you rub off, the better, I think. You just want it lightly there. So I'm going to work on that. It's hard to do it with the phone, but you get an idea. And it just kind of, it came off on my fingers too. See how it's shiny? It's gonna be cool.